Hello students, welcome to Sonu's Learning World. Today we are discussing areas related to circles chapter of class 10 and this is the 12th chapter. Okay students, so let us read the first question in exercise 12.1. So let me read the question. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. That is a question. Okay students, so what is radius of a circle? All of you may be knowing what is the radius of a circle, no? So for example, what is a circle students? Circle means it is a collection of points at a particular distance or at equal distance from a particular point. So this is our particular point and we are taking equal distance. Okay, so this is, okay, we are taking a point here, same distance we are taking a point here, with same distance we are taking another point here. So collection of points. Okay, so collection of points at a fixed distance from a particular point. Okay students, so and I am joining this to get a circle. It is not a proper circle but it is a circle. Okay, so this is what is known as a circle. Okay students, so what is the radius of a circle? Radius of a circle means that is from here to here, that is the distance from this point to any point on the circle. So the distance from the center to any point on the circle. So that is a radius, that is from the center to any point, that is radius. Radius, everything will be radius. Okay, so what is the diameter students? Diameter means this full distance, that is 2 times radius, that is this is radius, this is also radius. So 2 times radius, that is the diameter of a circle. Okay, next, what is the circumference of a circle students? That is, okay students, okay, a person is starting from, assume that this is a circular playground. Okay, so a boy is running along this playground. Okay, so running along this playground means running through this particular boundary. Okay, so a boy is running, he is starting from here, he is starting from this point A and he is running and he is completing and he is finishing at A itself. Okay students, that distance is known as circumference of the circle. Okay, that is, we can say the distance covered by traveling once around a circle is called the circumference or perimeter of the circle. Circumference and perimeter in the case of a circle are equal, both are same. Okay students, so that is the circumference of a circle. So what is the circumference or what is the equation for the circumference of the circle? So students, perimeter or circumference, perimeter or circumference of circle, that is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so this is our first equation which we have to use in this first exercise. Okay, so next comes the area of the circle. Okay students, area of the circle means this inside portion, inside full portion is known as area of the circle. Okay, so this outside, that is boundary, means that is perimeter or circumference. Okay, so inside means it is area of the circle. Okay, so what is the equation for area of the circle students? Area of circle is equal to pi r square. That's it. Okay students, so perimeter is 2 pi r and area is equal to pi r square. Okay, and next is, what is a semicircle? Semicircle means half of a circle, that is a semicircle. So this is our circle and this is our circle. Half of the circle means only how much will come? Okay, this is a circle. So this is a semicircle, that is this particular portion means that is a semicircle. This particular portion is a semicircle, that is half of a circle is a semicircle. Okay, so what will be the area of a semicircle students? That will be half of the area of a circle. Easy. Okay, so what is area of a semicircle? Area of semicircle is equal to half of area of the full circle, that is half pi r square. That is the equation of area of the semicircle. Okay, students. So, let us do the first question now. Let us read the first question first. Okay, what is our first question? Okay, this is our first question. The radii of two circles, radius, what is the difference between radius and radii, students? Radii means it is a plural of radius. Okay, radius means only one radius, that is only one value. Radii means here we have two radius, that is radii. That's why it is given as radii. Okay, so the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Okay, students. So, what is given in the question? It is given that we have two circles of radius 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Okay, so let us draw the two circles. Okay, this is one circle. This is another circle. Okay, so we have two circles and its first one, its radius is 19. So radius means, okay, let this be the center of the circle. I am taking the center as O. Okay, so from the center to any point on the circle is the radius of the circle. So from here to here I am taking the radius and it's given as 19 centimeter in the question. Okay, same like that here also, let the center be O here, let this be the center of this particular circle. So from here to here, that is 9 centimeter. That is the radius of the second circle. Okay, we have the first circle and we have the second circle. We have two circles. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. Okay, so what we have to find? There is a circle. Okay, there is another circle. Okay, let this be that circle, another circle. Okay, so this particular circle, let the center be O for this circle also. So this particular circle has the circumference. Circumference means the boundary length. Okay, so the circumference of this particular circle is equal to the sum of the circumferences of these two circles. Okay, so if for example, if the circumference of this circle is, for example, if it is like 12 centimeter, for example. Okay, so this 12 centimeter, and if the circumference of the second circle be like 10 centimeter. Okay, so what is the circumference? What will be the circumference of this circle, third circle? It is given in the question that the circumference of the third circle is equal to the sum of the circumferences of these two circles. That is, if it is 12 and if it is 10, it is 12 plus 10. That is, the circumference of this particular circle is 22 centimeter. Okay, so that is given in the question. Find the radius of the circle. So what we have to find? We have to find the radius of this particular circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of the circumferences of two circles. Okay, so students, what is given in the question? First we have to concentrate on what is given in the question. We have the radius here, this also radius is given, and it's been given that the circumference of this particular circle is equal to the sum of the circumferences of this circle and this circle. Okay, so based on that we will be able to find the value of r. Okay, so that's how we have to understand the question. Okay, so let us solve this question next. So let's write circumference of the new circle. So this is a new circle or the third circle. Okay, circumference of new circle is equal to circumference of first circle plus circumference of second circle. Circumference of first circle plus circumference of second circle. Okay, so next is what is given. We can find the circumference of the first circle. We know the equation. What is the equation of circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle we have already discussed. Circumference of the circle or perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. Okay, so we can substitute the value of r there and we can find the circumference of the first circle. Okay, so let's find the circumference of the first circle. Circumference of first circle is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so what is the radius of the first circle? The radius of the first circle is 19. So 2 into pi into 19. So 19 plus 19 or 19 into 38. So 38. Now I am not substituting the value of pi because we will be able to cut the pi at the last. Okay, when we substitute the values at the last, we will be able to cut pi. Okay, so 38 pi. If you are multiplying the value of pi, you can just multiply by 22 by 7. If you are multiplying also, it is not a problem. But multiplication, you have to multiply, you have to divide. That is a very long process. So just keep it like this: 38 pi centimeter. Okay, so that is the circumference of the first circle. Okay, so next is circumference of the second circle. Circumference of second circle. Circumference of the second circle is same 2 pi r, that is 2 into pi into what is the radius of the second circle? The radius of the second circle is 9. So into 9. 9 2s are 18. So 18 pi centimeter. Okay, so next is, we know the circumference of the new circle is circumference of the first plus circumference of the second. So this is our new circle. So we don't know what is the value of r. So we are putting r as r only. Okay, so circumference of the new circle, let that be 2 pi r. We don't know the value of r. That is equal to this plus 38 pi. That is 38 pi plus 18 pi. Okay, students. So 2 pi r is equal to 38 plus 18. 56 pi. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find the value of r. So r is equal to 56 pi by 2 pi. I can cut pi and pi, 2 and 56. So 2 2s are 4, 16 8s are 16. So that is 28 centimeter. So hence the radius of the circle is, hence the radius of new circle is equal to 28 centimeter. So students, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.